Brother, I love you.
Thanks.
Okay, that's all. Okay, nature. Hello vlog. I am in the nature right now. Well, kind of right now. But long story short, I have to find some logs for my architecture project, and I'm going walk in nature to find these logs, and I'm taking you guys with me because you're my friends. All right, let's go. Nature. Okay, we're in the nature, and it's like I see we're coming across some very good looking logs. These look quite intriguing. Okay, so my goal is to find a good log that I can build with, or not build with, but build on. So, honestly, this looks a little bit too big. The search continues. Okay.
This way.
Wait! A log! Look at this. This looks like a good log. I'm intrigued. I think I can work with something like this. Log 1. The search continues. Oh my gosh, more logs!
Oh, I thought you were gonna point out the cops. No, don't.
This is a cool looking log.
It's a little big.
This is really big.
But I don't know what I could do with this because it's really big. But I really like it a lot. Oh my, ow! I just almost broke my hand. What do you think? Followers, subscribers? Comment down below. What do you think of this log? I think this is gonna be my log. I think I'm gonna build this log. I actually like this one. Alright, this is my log pile. Why are you getting so close to me? This is a nice log too, man. What happened here? There's some nice logs. I didn't even have to walk that far. I thought I was gonna have to go. This one is intriguing. I'm bringing it. I love this. All kinds of things I can work with. This is exciting. This one! If I get bit by... Oh, there's a bug. Oh my gosh. I can see this one working. Do you see it? Oh my... That's disgusting. Should I keep it? Is this vegan friendly? Alright, I'm gonna narrow it down to 4 at the end of this. I'm not gonna bring more than 4 logs home. Oh wait! Okay, it's broken. Okay, yeah. This is not... This is not my log. It just crumbled. I do like this one too, but I think this one's kind of excessive. Oh, but I love it so much. Imagine this. Prop it up against the wall like this. Okay. There's this tension between this side and this side. It's like they're reaching for each other, but they can't quite reach each other. So they're trying to. There's this relationship between them that, like, the only way you can report to this relationship that they're trying to create is if I come in and physically bring them together. Alright, honestly, I kind of don't want to do it anymore because I'm afraid I'm gonna overdo it. This one's really nice too. I just found all of my logs in one spot. I thought I was gonna get to explore more. Oh well. Maybe we could still go walk next to the levee. Finding logs in nature.
Gone wrong.
What's wrong about this?
It's clickbait, like just like
You won't believe what I found in nature.
Yeah.
Alright, I think this is it. I'm gonna bring these logs to class. I've got the logs. Wow. Road work ahead. I sure hope it's right. Is it recording? Okay, we've made it to the top of the levee. This is an exciting adventure. We're still out in nature. Life is good. This is the road. This is the Mississippi River. I like this tree right here. It's all alone. Like I can feel for it. I can sympathize for that tree all by itself, trying its best. All right, cool. Let's go get the logs.
Hey subscribers, welcome to my vlog.
That's all. My beautiful creation is just connecting those two pieces. Just, oh, I can see it. Oh my gosh, the sky is so beautiful. That is God's creation. Kanye West came to Baton Rouge and he prayed for this, and God blessed us with this. Thank you, Kanye West. You were amazing. That was so rude. Good enough. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's the end of this YouTube video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. You're amazing. Have an amazing day. That is all.